Hello. So here we have a few great poses that really help our children to feel more focused. You could do them any time of day, whenever they need to be more focused or be able to concentrate a little bit more. So we just need a little bit of space. Come and start standing. Just check in. They have their feet hip width apart so they can look down, have your feet facing forwards, maybe spread all of your toes. That's a great skill to have. Bend your knees, take your hands onto your hips. Press your feet into the ground. Imagine you compress them right through the floor. Now we're going to go up, 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 press your feet down, and then down, down, down. Coming up, press your feet. Stand tall, and then down, bend your knees. Just do a few of these chair lifts, great for strengthening the legs. Really getting them to focus on what their feet are doing, pressing down and then standing tall. Now on the next one, if you feel like it today, come up onto your toes just a little bit. And then back down and bend the knees again. Make sure they're looking straight forwards. Keep your eyes still on a spot on the wall in front of you. Come up onto the toes and then back down. And let's just try one more of those, keeping our balance, our gaze nice and still onto the toes. And then coming back down. Well done. Come up to stand. Now, keeping your gaze on that focus, that spot on the wall right in front of you, will come into the tree pose, but nice and slowly. Kids like to come into this very fast, and then they lose their balance quickly, so we come in slowly always. Start with the feet hip width apart. Hands together, or on the hips is a nice option. Turn the toes out and rest your heel on the opposite ankle. Stand tall. Press that foot into the ground again. Get taller. Keep your eyes still. Focus. Then you could lightly take that foot onto your calf. We're not worrying today how far we can take that foot up our leg. That's not really the aim here. Our aim is to focus, concentrate. Can we stay here a little bit longer than we did last time? Kids love the challenge of this pose. Then coming down, have a little shake the feet out, and we'll switch sides. So go through that same process again, standing tall. Hands at the heart or on the hips. Rest, heel on ankle first. Get taller. Then they have the option, because some kids might not want to, take that foot a little bit higher. Can we stay here as long on this side as we did on the first side? Let's try not to slouch. We need to stay tall. That helps us to balance. And then coming down. So such a great pose, that classic tree. Again, from the top, this time we'll step one foot all the way back, open to the side, open the arms out wide into our surfer or warrior two, whichever you would like to call it with your kids. So not too deep, stay up nice and high. Doesn't need to be a big lunge there. Look where you're going. Focus on a spot on the wall. And take 2 or 3 nice full breaths. And then concentrate. We're going to swivel to face the back in the same pose. This gives them something else to think about and concentrate on there. Taking the pose to face the back of the room. So this is the balance in itself, even though we are on 2 feet. We still have to find our balance and feel stable here. 2 or 3 breaths is enough. Let's come down into a squat. And perhaps we could find our balance in a little squat like this, just up on the toes. Hands could be on the knees, together, hips, whatever they like. And then coming down, and maybe you take some time there for some focused breathing. That could be belly breathing, maybe wave breathing. I have other videos on those. If you'd like to check those out, I can put the links below. So thank you so much. Let me know your thoughts, questions, comments, and do head over to classyoga.com. You can find out about our Children's Yoga and Mindfulness Teacher Training course and about our school resources platform. See you soon.